What's up guys, today I'm doing an unboxing of the Canon 50mm f1.2 and first impressions. Now I bought this lens used off of Gumtree, which is the equivalent to the American Craigslist. Now originally I started off with the Canon 50mm f1.8, the fantastic plastic. I had that for a few years, then I sold that to a friend and upgraded to the Sigma 50mm 1.4. I had that for a few years, then obviously sold that on and bought the 50mm 1.2. So yeah, let's check it out. So first up, we are greeted by, it's like a lens pouch made of leather, something like that. Feels quite high quality, very nice. Bit of foam. Next we're greeted by the lens hood. Now, lens hood is always nice to have I suppose. Personally I probably wouldn't use it that much. It's just not something that I'm used to using or don't really mind. Personally I kind of like lens flares, but I guess personal preference at the end of the day, but it's always good to have one. Next up is the lens itself. Now this thing is feeling quite heavy. It looks pretty well built. The autofocus to manual focus button is a little bit stiff, but you wouldn't want that sloppy anyway. The focus is pretty smooth. The plastic is in good condition, especially for a used one. The guy that I bought it off of did commercial photography, so obviously he looked after his lenses very well. Now look at the size of that big front element. Get a thin depth of field there through for photos and film as well. But yeah, no, it's really well put together. The focus is all internal, so nothing sticks out. When you pull the focus ring, it's all inside the lens, which is the opposite to the 1.8 that I had and the 1.4. The 1.4 was not the art version, it was the version before that. But yeah, I can't imagine this on a small camera, because it would almost drag the front down. But no, it's well built, and I guess I'll have to go out and shoot with it and see how it performs. So I'm quite excited about that. So that is the unboxing. If you like the video, hit the like button down below, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts on the lens or what 50mm lens you have. And don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll do some more unboxings when I get stuff as well, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching guys, and until next time, I'll see you then.